It's cold outside, but the fire keeps us warm. We can spend the night underneath the mistletoe. And I've gotten you a present that I put under the tree.
Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. If you are new here, hi, welcome. My name is Gina and I would love for you to hit that red subscribe button and join my YouTube family. So for today's video, I will be showing you guys how to do a DIY Christmas wreath. I got this idea because, I mean, it's like you go to any store right nowadays and these wreaths are super expensive. So I was looking at the wreaths that they have at my local Walmart, and I found this one, which is it's a flocked wreath, and it's a 24-inch. So it is a really good size. And I was thinking, okay, well, you know, it's big, it's flocked already. Why don't I just add, you know, the touches that I want to it to make it my own? So that is what I did. And well, did I mention the wreath was only $9? So I did get various stuff from Walmart as far as like the decor to add on there, and I'm going to show you guys. Some of them are from Michael's as well, but let me flip you over and show you everything that I'm going to be working with. Okay, so this is going to be the little red truck that I will be adding onto there. I did get this one from Walmart. It was only $4, and I don't know about y'all, but there is just something about this little red truck this year that is driving me nuts. So I will be decorating with this. So I'm gonna be adding these, and then I found these at Michael's, so I'll be adding some of these as well. I got 2 of those. Then I found these cute little pinecone ones. I got 3 of these. And these are from Walmart, and they were only about $1.48 each. I think these at Michael's, they were on sale. Let me see. Regular price are $5 on these, but they did have a 30% off on all the Christmas floral and everything. So the 30% plus the 20% that they had going on, so it's kind of like getting 50%. So they were like $1 something. Then I got this one from Walmart as well. This one was $1.48. I got this one from Michael's. Then I got some of these other ones. These have like the rustic looking bells. And these were from Walmart, and I only paid about $1 something for these as well. And I really do like how they have the buffalo check on there. So I got 3 of those. Then I picked some of these up. These were from Michael's too. Then I got this one, which I will be adding to the wreath. I just thought it was so cute, and it actually does have the little sloth thing to add the letters. So I got this, and then I picked this one up. And then another thing is that, well, it doesn't come with lights or anything, and I want to add some twinkle lights to my wreath, so that's what I will be doing. And I got these at Walmart too. They were only, I believe these were like $3. So I'm going to be wrapping this around there. So I really like how in the settings it has the timer fading, the flashing, the just on, and the off. So right now I have it on the fading, so basically it just comes on and off. And then this is the flashing. So I really like how that is. I'll be adding into that. And then as far as everything else that you'll be needing is, I got this one from Walmart too, the burlap. This one is 35 feet, so it's very long, and this was around $7. But I got this one a different day. I didn't pick this one up whenever I got everything. So I already had this one. And I also got this little cute ribbon. I wanted to add a bow onto it there, and I made this bow myself. As you can see, it has some of that thing there. And this one here, it's like stuck to it, but this little bow already came like stuck to the ribbon. So since I have this going on, what I'm gonna do is just hot glue this onto the top to kind of give it, you know, the little leg effect, and then add that into my wreath. So then I got some of this string and my hot glue gun. So yes, you guys, this is everything that I did pick up. You can also get wreaths anywhere else. I know they sell the plain ones either at Hobby Lobby or Michael's as well. You don't necessarily have to get this one, but I did also buy the garland that is the same as the wreath. So it is a flocked garland. So if you are not subscribed to my channel and do not have your bell notification on, make sure you do, because I will be doing another DIY on how to do your Christmas garland. As you all may know, the garlands are super expensive as well, so I'll be doing one of those too. So without further ado, let's just get started. Okay, you guys, so first I want to go ahead and just finish up the bow that I was doing. I'm getting this last piece of ribbon that I had showed y'all. I'm just gonna get my hot glue gun and put a few dots onto the middle, and then just glue it to the middle of the big bow. That way, whenever I'm putting everything together, the bow is already done. Now that I have the middle glued, what I want to do is I want these little legs to be coming down the middle of the bow. So I am just grabbing my hot glue gun again and putting a little dot of glue onto the corner of the ribbon. That way it can scoot it to the middle, and both of the little legs will be coming down, straight down, instead of, you know, tucking into the ribbon onto the sides. We'll be singing all the melodies until the sun comes up. These are the good times with you. Baby, this year is just gonna be... Okay, so now that I have everything glued and in position, I'm just going to get my scissors and cut the ends of this ribbon into an angle. And so this is how my bow turned out. Now onto my wreath. All I am doing here is just basically trying to fluff everything up. That way it can be nice and fluffy, and it'll be easier for me to just add the decor onto there. Okay, so the very first thing that you guys want to do before adding any decor to the wreath is, if you are going to do your little lights, make sure you wrap that around your wreath first, because if not, it will be way harder to do it once you have all the decor. That way, all the lights are going to be nice and tucked in, and all the decor can just go on top. Baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me. Hanging by the fire, isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. And I've been longing to hold you close. Forget about everyone else. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories.
White outside and the night is cold. Everyone's lighting candles in their home.
So now that all my lights are all settled into the wreath, what I am going to do is grab my biggest piece that's going to go into the wreath, which is going to be the little red truck. and I will be positioning it onto the corner. I don't want it directly in the center of it. I want it in the corner. So before hot gluing it, what I'm going to do is just make sure that that's where I want it.
All around. All snow is falling down. All the colored lights lighting up this town. And as I walk outside, hear the Christmas choir sing Merry Christmas.
So after I have the truck on there, what I want to do is grab my bow and just see where I want it to go on the wreath. I am just repositioning and moving some of the twigs around, and after I find a good spot for it, what I'm going to do is just get a piece of twine. I'm not gonna hot glue this because this bow came out to be very heavy, and I know that if I just use, you know, the hot glue, it could come off. So in order for me to be able to secure it more, I'm just going to use the twine. I will be weaving it around through the back of the wreath, as you can see here. And so after I do that, I'm just gonna secure very well by doing a very tight bow onto it, and like that, then, you know, my bow is not going anywhere.
Lighting up this town. And as I walk outside, hear the Christmas choir sing Merry Christmas to you.
Okay, so from here on out, all I am going to do is grab my smaller pieces of decor and setting them exactly where I want them to be.
Snow is falling down, all the colored lights lighting up this town. And as I walk outside, hear the Christmas choir sing Merry Christmas to you. Merry Christmas to you. Merry Christmas to you. It's white outside and the night is cold. Everyone's lighting candles in their homes. Yes, it's Christmas. It's a magic time. You can feel it in the air, that every child got their hearts filled up with joy.
Okay, you guys, so I am now finished with the wreath, and I seriously couldn't be any happier. I love the way that it came out. This is what it looks like. I'm gonna give you guys a close-up.
Lights lighting up this town. And as I walk outside, hear the Christmas choir sing Merry Christmas to you. This time of year is a time to cheer. Let our loved ones, our family and friends have a Christmas with so much love, and with joy and laughter. Let us make memories.
So like you see, it doesn't have to be so very expensive to do a wreath or get a wreath. You can always build your own, DIY your own at your own taste. Put little things here and there. that you like and enjoy for many years. So I want to thank you guys for watching another of my videos. I'm so super excited. I am about to hit 1K. Thank you so much again for everybody that does support me and my channel. Don't forget to subscribe and like the video. Like I said, I will be doing another DIY on a garland. So stay tuned for that, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye.